Task number 10, is fire alive? So this is one of our writing prompts that we will include this year. In this case, it's an assessment. So when you open up number 10, you're going to get a writing prompt that I'm going to use to measure your learning so far in this topic before we move on. So your copy includes the prompt and the instructions. I built in kind of a pre-write activity. Everything below the line that you see will be what's assessed, but above the line I also included an area in which you should list the characteristics of life that you're going to use in this prompt. As you read this through the scenario, you'll see that you're camping and you've got a couple buddies, and in red I've put the most important statements in the directions, that you're an expert in what is living and you're going to help settle a debate between your friends about whether or not fire is alive. I've highlighted the words claim, evidence, and reasoning. You probably hear something similar in language arts and other classes called claim, support, explain, or the CSE layout. In science, for years we've been doing something called claim, evidence, reasoning. It's a basis of how we communicate in science, that we make a claim and we gather the evidence that we've gathered is presented, and then we reason through that evidence and how it ties back to the claim for our conclusion. So you get as much time as you need to complete this. It's dated 3 days in the future, so Friday as a completion date, because that's how much time in class you'll get, but after that we're moving on. There's a rubric also posted if we open that up. If you want to know how you are being assessed in terms of 4, 3, 2, 1 level, and the claim, evidence, and reasoning piece, it's there. That will be averaged to a single cumulative score, and that's number 10 for you. Be sure to put forth your best effort and discuss each and every one of the characteristics that you know of. Don't leave anything out because I can't know what you're leaving out. I have to assume what's on the page is the best what you've got, and that's what I'll use to assess you.